Do you want to draw whiteboard animations, but you don't know how to do it? Introducing Whiteboard Video Maker, the fastest and easiest way to create a professional whiteboard animated video, and only using PowerPoint. With Whiteboard Video Maker, you don't need to learn about complicated software and no animation skills are required. It's so easy and intuitive, anyone can make a professional-looking whiteboard animation using a simple drag-and-drop interface. Customize each scene, choose styling, colors, and instantly share your video on social networks or your website. Build your own whiteboard animated character easily and associate it with wonderful background and multiple icons. Each item comes in 3 art styles: white, black and white, and color. Impress your viewers with these different styles of animation. Make an awesome whiteboard animation for your business and catch your audience's attention. So what are you waiting for? Get Whiteboard Video Maker right now.